Welcome to our video. Today, I'll guide you through the enhanced UI for stringing in ARKA 360. We offer two types of strings: branches for microinverters and strings for string inverters. Let's begin with microinverters. As we add branches, notice how each is color-coded for easy identification. Adjusting the number of branches changes their color dynamically, providing clear visual cues. Now, let's explore string inverters. Colors represent the maximum power point, tracking MPPT for each string, aiding in differentiation. After completing the strings, each is labeled with unique identifiers for quick reference. This feature streamlines the identification process and enhances design clarity. Additionally, designs can be exported to AutoCAD seamlessly. We hope this update simplifies your design workflow. Thank you for watching.